Well, I made slime. It's real easy how to make this slime. Because, all you need is flour and water. Here, I'll show you. I'm not able to show y'all, but I'll show y'all what the slime does look like. Because, my granny, she said I couldn't make any more because I have all of this and a whole little container full. So, yeah. She want, once, I lose it, then she'll let me make more. It's kind of like clay slime, but it's really fun to play with. Not all stretchy, but it's really fun. And we're a couple of minutes in, 1 minute in, and well, I'll take out my container of it. And well, that's all for today. Let's just wait while I put in my slime. Put my slime back in. I have OCD, so I made a whole other thing of it. So where if it was uneven, I could just put it in to make it even and stuff. Whenever it's not even, I just stick it in. Well, that's all for today, so bye.